It's May 4th, 2010. Welcome to Kendalt. This is Brian speaking. Alright, so last time we talked a little bit about addition and commutativity and associativity. Today we're going to actually use some equations and figure out some answers from adding 10 numbers at a time. Like, how do you add 10 numbers quickly? Or how do you add 5 numbers quickly? Or is there a way to add certain groups of numbers quickly? So, I've written on the board what we learned last time, which is 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. In other words, you can count these in any order. And I also wrote that 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 plus 1. And so basically you can rearrange any numbers of additions. Now I'm going to make a magical wipe of the board. So here we go. I'm going to erase all the circles. Alright. So here we go. What is what is 5 plus 90 plus 5? Okay, well, this is kind of a warm-up question. What we've got here is 5 plus 90 plus 5. We want to find the answer. Now, again, we can rearrange stuff so that it's simpler. But generally what you want to do when you're adding stuff is you want to make groups of the same thing. Or make groups of 10. So things that end in 0 are very good. Now you can see here we have a 5, a 90, and a 5. We can group these in any order we want to. So what we've got here is 5 plus 5, which is 10, and then you can rewrite that as 90 plus 10, and then 90 plus 10 is 100. So that's a pretty simple example. Again, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 90 is 100. We're basically using this principle down here. We're rearranging things so that the addition is simpler. Now granted, maybe you could have been like, well, obviously we could just add a 5 and 90 and then add another 5. That would be 95 plus 5, that's 100. That's not that bad. But what if you had lots and lots of numbers and they fit together well? For example, what if this were 5 plus 16 plus 90 plus 5. Now, then you'd have to do 5 plus 16, which is 21. Add it to 90, which is 111, I think. And add it to 5, which is 116. But it'd be easier to add these two 5s, get 10, add it to 90, get 100, and then add 16, which is 116. It's way, way easier, in my opinion. I mean, if you're a computer, you can do it the other way, but yeah, this is a lot easier, I think. This is 116. So, that concludes our second lesson of the month about adding numbers and rearranging them so that they're easier to manipulate. Alright, this is Brian signing off. Goodbye.